Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing surface contaminants so the sanding works on the plastic, not dirt. Once cleaned and taped, start with wet 600 grit sandpaper and keep the area wet. This prevents deep scratches. Move in straight, overlapping passes until the yellow haze dulls uniformly. Make sure to change direction occasionally to even the finish. You're creating a consistent base layer so finer grits can remove the remaining oxidation. This first step sets the whole repair success. Once the 600 stage shows even haze, step up to 1000 grit, then 2000 grit, always wet. You're removing the coarser scratches left earlier, so sand until the surface feels smooth and visually uniform. Next, apply a plastic-specific polish with a foam pad, rotary at low speed or by hand, working each section for a few minutes. Make sure to wipe and inspect frequently. If you still see yellowing, re-sand that spot with the previous grit before polishing again. You finish by applying a UV protective clear coat or plastic lacquer in thin, even layers. This prevents rapid re-yellowing. Allow recommended drying between coats, then buff with a microfiber cloth and a fine polish to achieve glossy clarity. If you encounter stubborn haze or peeling later, re-sand only the affected zone and repeat polishing and sealing. Make sure to inspect for deep pitting or crazing. If cracks exist, replacement may be the only reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.